DTF hack tutorial. Materials: sublimation printer with Subli ink. Print on the matte side, not on the glossy side. Apply DTF powder right after printing, while the ink is wet. Make sure to cover all areas of the design. Let's make another design. Now we have to bake the DTF powder. My press is set for 220 for 30 seconds. But always check if the powder are melted evenly in all portion of the design, then just bake it again if needed. When you bake the powder, make sure to leave some space between the heating plates. Do not press the film. Let's bake the other design. Let it cool first. The DTF film requires 160 for 10 seconds, but for me, I get a good result with 190 to 200 for 20 seconds. You need to test and do trial and error for your material and heat press. In this video, I followed the label of my DTF film. After 10 seconds, some portion of the design did not stick on the cloth. After second press, it is now okay to let it cool. Let's make the other design. This time I'm setting it to 190 for 20 sec. After cooling, time to peel the film. I will make a wash test on another video.